In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize the video in CapCut on mobile. So this is using the mobile app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to new project, and what we'll do is we'll choose a video. Now I'm going to choose a mobile recording, which is going to be in the vertical format. And let's say I want to create a tutorial video and upload it in the YouTube format, which is obviously landscape, right? So I'm going to click on this. You can resize this, but open your clip into the Canva project, then click on the timeline. Now, once you've done that, you need to go ahead and click on the back button. So in the bottom left, you'll see the back button. Just click on your clip, then click the back button. And what you're doing, you're looking for the ratio tab. So here on this slider in the middle somewhere, you'll see aspect ratio. If you click on that, you'll see original. You've got the TikTok ratio, Instagram, the square. You've got the YouTube ratio. I'm going to change it to 16:9, which is the YouTube ratio. Then we can click tick, and then what we can do is we can click on our video, and then we can move it and obviously resize it however we wanted to. So as you can see now, we've got the landscape YouTube format with our vertical video, which is exactly how I wanted it. You can do it the other way if you want. But anyway, that's how you resize a video. I hope that helped.